What's up, guys? In this video, we will talk about 8 money-making websites that require no real investments. Online money generation is easy, legal, and time-worthy if you use our recommended websites. Thousands of online users have verified that these sites are a reliable source of online income due to their ease of use and payment methods. Here, we will tell you about the top 8 websites to make money online without any investment. But before that, we have noticed that only a small number of the viewers are actually subscribed to our channel. So, if you find value in this video, please subscribe for more exciting content. With that out of the way, let's get started.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Number 8. Udemy. Udemy is a popular online learning marketplace. It enables you to sell training and course resources on sites like eBay and Amazon. For course content, it is now one of the most complete platforms. Course professors can use Udemy to communicate with students. It's a terrific online training marketplace where you can purchase and sell courses. Experts can create and sell online courses on Udemy. You can reach a larger audience because online courses attract millions of students. You may earn a career on Udemy by producing excellent systems and attracting global students. You can also generate and sell your course content. They also give you tools to help you create course content. Working with them has numerous advantages, including the ability to work from home, earn a good living, and assist children in gaining knowledge and skills. 1 year of serious training, you may expect to earn around $700 per month, and this will increase over time if they appreciate your job. Number 7. Upwork. Upwork is the most trusted online money-earning site for freelancers. Approximately 5 million businesses utilize this portal to recruit personnel. This service connects corporations and freelancers worldwide, allowing them to easily connect and collaborate on projects. It has millions of users. The best websites to make money online is a great place to start looking for high-paying work online. If you are a skilled individual looking for a freelance job, this site is for you. You can always visit this website to learn about the in-demand abilities that you can offer your customers. You can interact with freelancer recruiters. The first step is to register, which is easy. Working on projects that require expertise and evaluation increases your chances of earning a high salary. The commission charged is usually between 5 and 20%. You can get freelance employment as a technical writer, a web designer, a graphic designer, a transcriber, a virtual assistant, and more. Upwork is a global platform for companies and freelancers to connect and collaborate on projects. Jobs are shared by freelancers. Number 6. Amazon. Remember that Amazon is the most outstanding website to make money online. As a result, the item is more likely to sell. It is the most trusted online earning site and one of the most well-known e-commerce businesses. Amazon is the starting point for 48% of US online product searches. It allows both customers and sellers to choose from a wide choice of products. Thousands of products to sell and buy. To sell your products on Amazon, you first need to set up a seller account. Then, you need to put your product on Amazon. Visit the Amazon Affiliate Program to sign up for a free Amazon Associates account. If you don't have a website, you can link to your Facebook page. After registering, you must advertise the product's affiliate link. You get a commission when someone buys something through your link. It is visited by many prospective buyers each month, increasing the likelihood of a sale. Number 5. Shutterstock. Do you like taking photos? If so, you can sell your photographs on Shutterstock for a profit. Shutterstock is an American website that compensates you for your photography skills. Shutterstock can be a terrific alternative if you enjoy taking photos and are reasonably talented. Shutterstock is a great place to sell your photos and buy them from individuals looking for beautiful images. To begin with, create a Shutterstock account. Post your best photographs and work there. thousands of people and businesses actively seek pictures for personal and commercial usage. You can share your work on our website if you are a skilled photographer. Make Money Online is the finest website. You get paid when someone downloads your image. Even if you are new to photography, this site is worth looking at. You can compete with tens of thousands of other excellent photographers. You may also sell video footage on Shutterstock. They are quickly sold on demand. Number 4. Swagbucks. This business was created in 2016 and has quickly become one of the top websites to make money online and succeed in e-commerce. To start earning money with this software, all you need to do is watch YouTube videos and shop online. The most excellent part is that they give you a bonus $10 when you sign up for a free account. It pays you to take a customer survey, which corporations use to decide what to make and sell. You may cash in Swagbucks for Target, iTunes, Amazon, and other gift cards. After creating your account, you will be assigned daily tasks and compensated for them. Do online surveys, play games, shop, find deals, and buy gift cards to get more rewards. This is the most trusted online money-earning site for those who enjoy purchasing and viewing videos. You can use the credit you earn from them on Amazon, eBay, and other online marketplaces. Number 3. Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace dedicated to selling handmade, unique items and services without further ado. It's a great way to earn money if you're artistic. On Etsy, people look for custom items like jewelry, cards, magnets, and decorative elements. You can also sell your creative work and earn a good living there. The platform's most appealing feature is how easy it is to browse and shop. So, you can start your own business by selling your designs. They only sell handcrafted, one-of-a-kind items on Etsy. That makes it the best website to make money online, with almost 1.7 million active sellers and 28.6 million active customers. If you can create something people want, you have a market. So going there increases your chances of getting noticed and earning a lot of money. On the internet, competition is fierce. Like Upwork and Fiverr, you post your products and you're one of a million sellers on Etsy. You may feel overwhelmed. Number 2. Google AdSense. Writing is one of the easiest and most successful ways to earn money online. It is one of the simplest ways to begin earning money online without making any prior investment. What do you need? On a YouTube channel and a blog. It's a free advertising platform where you may register and get a code to insert into your website. Allowing Google AdSense adverts on your website or blog pays you. Our site contains some AdSense ads. You are paid for every advertisement click. That means it's the best website to make money online. With Google's enormous number of advertisements on different pages, you'll likely make money from visits. AdSense pays you on the 20th of the following month. They also deposit your earnings. How it works? Select the ad you want to run on your site. Choose where you want the adverts to appear, then let Google deal with the money. Another way, for every $100 an advertiser spends, Google compensates its content providers with $68. As a result, depending on the traffic, you can make a respectable livelihood using our most trusted online money-earning site. And number 1 for today, Whysense. Whysense is a place where you can make money online. It was started in 2007 and today has a user base of over 8 million people. It's a massive, global community that enables anyone to start earning money by performing various tasks and assignments. Customers' opinions on a company's products and brands are gathered through these surveys. This is done to improve things or provide a service that meets a need. In other cases, customers are used to getting to know one another. Whysense is a popular PTC site that places a strong emphasis on customer pleasure. You can earn money by viewing movies and ads, taking surveys, making referrals, or playing ClickSgrid on the Whysense platform. As a legitimate one, this site rewards its users if they meet the following criteria. Have a minimum amount available before requesting payment. Aside from that, you can refer friends to this site, and Whysense will pay you a 20 to 30% referral fee. You'll also get a 16% bonus on your daily earnings using this website. They accept PayPal as a payment method. The minimum amount that can be withdrawn is $10. You don't need any prior experience with online money making to join the business because the tasks are straightforward. You'll have a decent idea of how this site works in a few days. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want to know more ways to make more money, you can watch this next video now. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel before you go. As always, thanks for watching.